not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy or clay. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you, think about me. Are we thinking this through? Even we know it to be, and you're doubting in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? Are we thinking this through? We know it to be, giving up in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh, I got to know. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about me. I've been thinking this through. Even we know it to be, only doubting in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. I'll be thinking this through. Thinking that we know it to be, only doubting in me. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Without a trace. Find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. thinking about you. I just can't stop 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 thinking about you. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume's stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time.